Hello. Today we are going to discuss how to add an expense for an object. So the reason why business needs expense module is because it helps to break down operational cost and compare with the revenue. So managing expense with a large number of fleet is equal important to compare it with the single fleet usage. So with this expense module, you will be able to know how well your business is doing, and also you can get a smart financial decision over it. So this option is available into a setting, into master, into expense. So by selecting the object, you will be able to see the already added expense over here on the expense overview screen. So to add the new expense, you need to click on add new button. So let's add an expense for an object. So here you need to define the reseller, company and a branch. So based on the selection, you will get an option to choose which object you want to add an expense for. So you can select the object from the list. Now the question arises, why do we need to categorize the expense? So here we have categorized the expense into two different parts, that is in a fixed and a variable. So the fixed expense remain constant over time, and even if your fleet are not in use. And over these options are the types of the expense, fixed expense are depreciation, driver salaries, financing can be insurance and a taxes. And on the other hand, we have categorized with the variable cost, which are categorized with the usage of the fleet and based on the active conditions of your running vehicle. So these options are available, that is accident, fine, fuels. So fuels can be fuels and a maintenance, regular maintenance car need to be done on the running active object. So based on that, you can categorize into the software, and by selecting the expense type, you will get an option for which expense date you need to add the expense for. And into the case of fixed category, you will get an option for a from date and a to date. So for which period of time you need to set the expense. So let's check for the variable parameters for a fuel by adding some example. That is, after selecting the variable fuel type of the expense, we can add some example for a fill liter and total amount of the expense that you did. Apart from that, you can mention the reference number which are used in case for the bill number that can be avoid to add the entry into the ledger book. So for that, bill numbers can be entered, and apart from that, you can enter the odometer and a work hour. So odometer and a work hour information can be added as well. Bill can be uploaded into the format of images and a PDF as well. And also you can describe the additional information for the expense. So by saving this expense, you will be able to add the expense for this object. So there is the another options as well, that is add the expense using bulk option. So let's check that options as well. So this option will be available onto the overview screen onto the upload Excel option for a bulk expense. So here you need to define the reseller, company and a branch, and based on that you need to download the sample file. So let's check the options that are available into the Excel format. So here into the Excel format you need to define object. A category can be defined, that is a variable or a fixed. So we have selected with two different examples, that is one is variable. Based on the selections of the variable, we have defined a variable type, that is a maintenance, breakdown or the fine. So for now we have selected maintenance. Like that we can set the from date and a to date. So as in the case of the variable expenses, the dates will be for the one time as well. So here we have selected the same date and the amount that was been used as an expense. Like that you can categorize with the fixed amount as well. So from the drop down we have selected fixed, and into the fixed type we have selected insurance on it, and based on that we have defined the from date and to date and also the amount. So based on this, you need to upload this file and records will be saved, and once the record will be saved, the expense will be get added into software. So after adding the expense of the object, you need to find the informations into the software. So let's check that option that is available onto tracking screen tooltip as well. So let's check that. So here onto the tracking screen, you need to select the object, and based on the selecting object, the widget needs to be enabled from the setting, and based on that expense widget, you will get the 7 days expense informations on the screen, that is summarized information. And if you want to find the history information, then can be selected as a you need to click on a history, and based on that history informations will be reflected. So based on the attachment of the bill, you will can able to download the bill as well from here. And also you can add the expense from the tooltip as well, like the process we did. So when you click on the add expense option on the live tracking screen, you will get a same option to add the expenses. So you can add the expense, also you can view the history information and save the record, so the expense will get added from the live tracking as well. So now adding the expense, we need to monitor the expenditures. So that option is available into report. So let's check that option. So here onto the expense report, which is available into report, in the expense and in expense report. So the with selection of the object, you will get the informations of the summary about the already added expense. So here total expense information will be available, and for each expense type you will get an information. So based on that, if you want to see the detailed informations of the expense, then you can simply double click on this expense that is already added for that value, and based on that you will get a detailed information, that is expense category, expense date, expense type can be defined, and expense by which user it can be defined as well, and the amount that was entered can be get an information, and also the reference number, that is a bill number or any invoice number, can be reflected, and odometer work hour information can be viewed as well, and fill quantity and a per liter information can be seen, and already also the bill attachment can be viewed over here. So based on this, the expense can be added into software, and also can we monitorize the expenditures of the expense with the analytics reports of the expense. So this is how the expense module works into software by adding the expense into software. Thank you.